Okay, Phonics Lesson 104. Everybody have their name on there?
Yep.
Today's date, level, lesson 104. Red pen out?
Yep.
All right, let's read through some sounds together. I don't believe that there is new material today. So this lesson's going to go pretty quickly. All right, read sounds together. Sitting up straight and tall, eyes looking at the board. Oh, it's got it all goofy again for us.
Maybe there is no sounds. Or maybe
I'm pretty sure every lesson should have sounds.
Okay, so let's just do this.
maybe just think of sounds.
Yep.
Maybe just say a sound.
Let's go to the sounds side. First sound. Ed.
Ed. Now this lesson's gonna go super duper short.
Second sound. Ing.
Ing.
Third sound. Which one are they wanting here? I'll do this one. Ah.
Wait, we was like, is there no books and like word sounds?
Next sound. I.
There's like no sounds in the book.
After I. Talking the vowel sound. Okay. At the end of a word, And then long I at the end of a short word. Long I at the end of a short word. Then pick up your red pen. We'll go through those. The first sound was Ed. If you didn't add the hyphen, just add that with your red pen. The second sound was ing. Again, if you didn't add the hyphen, just add it with your red pen. Ah, the short A vowel sound. I, short I. Short U. Then we did at the end of a word. And the last one was long I at the end of a short word. And that is why.
I thought you said long I
At the end of a short word. Think about like sky, buy, try, fry, my. Okay, now there were some words. Are we ready?
Yep.
Pencils down, pens down, eyes looking up at the board. Shed, shedding, slop, sloppy. Do you remember talking about this yesterday?
Yeah.
The 1, 1, 1,
Yep.
one vowel, one consonant, add one more consonant, then the ending. Remember that?
Now I get, because it said shed, now it said shedding.
Yes. So one vowel, one consonant, add one more consonant, and the ending.
Dot.
Okay, dot,
Dot.
dotting. Slim, slimmer. Drip, dripped. Plan, planned. Flip, flipping. Flat, flatter. Hot, hotter. Cut, cutting. Ship, shipped. Lug, lugged. What do you notice about all of those words? Do they all have a similar sound to them? What is the sound they all say? Haley? The E-A-R is saying what? In all of these words. Let's read them. Earn, learn, heard, yearn, pearl, earth. They are still saying early, search, earl, research, rehearse. The word is rehearse. What's the word?
Rehearse.
Earthly. More words. Earthquake, unheard, learned, unearned, earnest, searchlight.
What does earnest mean?
Earnest means like you're kind of like you're eager, you're excited, like looking forward to something. Spring, split, thrill, stress, spree, splat. Thrashing, scrap. The word is scrap. What's the word?
Scrap.
Shred, screen, strand, shrink. Thank you for everyone giving me your attention now. Screech, shrunk, squeeze, scrape, shrug, squire. Ooh, sentences here. We stepped onto the steep trail. Now let's read it fluently. We stepped onto the steep trail. The sun is setting in the west. Again, the sun is setting in the west. Marvin has been blogging for 3 years. Again, Marvin has been blogging for 3 years. It's hard to see the words if you're not looking at the board, right? They're trimming the bushes into funny shapes. Again, they're trimming the bushes into funny shapes. Okay, let's spell some words. First word, grab.
Grab.
Second word, grabbing.
Grabbing.
Zipper.
Zipper.
Women.
Women.
Your.
Your.
Listen to how I'm going to use it. You're his best friend. You're his best friend. Spot.
Spot.
Spotted.
Spotted.
Funny.
Funny.
Ant. The sight word ant. Like that is his aunt. He's.
He's.
All right, we're going to do a sentence. They're shopping for new clothing.
They're shopping for new clothing.
Sorry, we're too fast. Okay, once you have that, pick up your red pen. And let's go through those. Okay, the first word that we wrote was grab. Gr. A. B. What did you do to the word grab to make it grabbing?
Double the B and I-N-G.
So gr. A. B. B again, and then ing. Our third word was zipper. So think of the word zip. Do I just add ER? No, it follows that one vowel, a short vowel, right? One consonant. What do I have to do to my consonant before I can add that ER? I have to double it. Otherwise it would say zyper. Sight word, women. Just have to know how to spell that. And then the contraction word, your, meaning, what did I say? You're his best friend, meaning you are. If you can split up the word your into you are, you know it needs to have the apostrophe R-E.
This little thing. I put ER.
Spell it correctly.
I didn't add the E.
Okay, the next word that you wrote was, does everybody have those? I'm going to get rid of those. Was spot. Sp. A. T. The next word was spotted. So what do we do to that final consonant?
Double the T.
We have to double it and then add
ED.
ED. funny. We have the word fun. How do we get the knee? N-Y. Sight word. And then he's. This is, if I said he's going to the store, could I say he is going to the store?
Yeah.
Yeah, so now that makes that a contraction word. What do I have to put here? Apostrophe, and then the S. Okay, the sentence was, they're shopping for new clothing. They're, meaning they are, there. Shop. Do I just add ing now?
No.
What do I have to do to that P?
Double it.
And then add my ing, shopping, for new clothing. Fix anything that you need to fix. All right, once you have that completed, you can put your red pen away, and then you need to get out. Is everybody done?
Yeah.
The lesson 104 worksheet. Okay, on this one, we're just going to be answering the questions they give us, but we're going to write our answer as a complete sentence. So let's see how many, 2, 4, 6, 8 of them. Let's just do the first 4, okay? So these bottom 4, we can cross out. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means we have these top 4 that we are going to complete. We have to add the ed to the end of the underlined word and then use that word to help us answer the question in a complete sentence. So let's read this first question together. When did James bat? How would we write that as a complete sentence? Amy?
James batted.
Okay, let's write that first. James, what do I have to do to bat to make it say batted and not baited?
Double the T.
We have to double that T and then add ed. So James batted. They want to know when he batted. James batted. What? What would we say? When did he bat? Lucas?
He batted a minute.
What's that?
James batted a minute ago.
Sure. What else could we say? There's more than one right answer.
At 3.
James batted at 3 o'clock. Okay.
James batted at 7.
Okay. So you could tell a specific time that James batted at. Jenny?
I lost my answer.
Okay?
James batted at 4:30.
Yep, we already said you could say anytime you want. We don't need to keep saying times. I'm familiar with baseball or softball. James batted first. Or James batted last. If you want to write a time, feel free to write the time.
I have the new English reading curriculum samples. Those need to come to you or to her. Thank you. No problem.
All right, the second question asks, what did Vicky stir? What would we start this sentence with? What did Vicky stir? We have to add the ed to stir. Okay, so what did Vicky stir? How would we start it?
Vicky stirred.
Okay, Vicky stirred. It's got that vowel consonant. What do we have to do? One more consonant, right? And then add ed. Vicky stirred anything, right? I mean, you can say whatever it is that you want to. Go ahead and write down what you're thinking that she stirred. Don't forget punctuation.
Or finger space.
All right. Third question that we're asked. Where did Sam jog? How would we start our answer? Natalia.
Sam jogged.
Sam jogged. And then you're going to write where Sam jogged. Go ahead and finish that sentence. Okay, we have one more that we need to do. Why did Nikki sob? Do you know what sob means?
Cry.
Means to cry. All right, so we have to change sob so that it's past tense. We're adding the ed to it. So how would we start this sentence, Lucas?
Nikki sobbed.
Nikki sobbed. What do I have to do to the word sobbed?
Double B and ed.
Tell why Nikki sobbed. You write down your answer. Now, could Nikki be a boy or a girl?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Could Sam have been a boy or a girl?
Yep.
Mm-hmm. Is Vicky a boy or a girl name?
Girl.
Typically a girl, right? What about James?
Boy.
Typically a boy. All right. So, did you come up with your sentences about where Sam jogged and why Nikki sobbed?
Jog. Sob.
Okay. All right, so now, friends, let me turn this off.